Good morning, students. Today we will study the difference between plant cell and animal cell. I have already told you that cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms, all plants. But there are some differences between plant cell and animal cell. Okay. So I have drawn two diagrams. This is animal cell and this is plant cell. So see, you can see this is the membrane, okay, that covers the cytoplasm of the cell. This is cytoplasm. Okay, and here also in the plant cell, this is the cell membrane, and in addition to that, cell wall is there. Okay, this is what cell wall. So what happens? What is cell membrane? It is the semi-permeable cell membrane. Okay, membrane, it restricts certain substances to be allowed into the cell and allows certain substances into the cell, or let some certain substances goes out from the cell due to its requirement. But and it provides the shape to the cell. But in case of plant cell, see, this is membrane is there, in addition to cell wall is there. Okay, what is cell wall? And this is the hard covering made up of cellulose, and it provides rigidity or hardness to the plant cell. Got it? So when nucleus is concerned, here also you will find nucleus. Okay, this is the nucleus. Okay, and in plant cell also you will find nucleus. Okay, and inside nucleus you will find some thread-like structures. Okay, which is known as chromatin, and this is cytoplasm. This is also cytoplasm. See, in plant cell, here one large portion is there. Got it? And this is known as what? Vacuole. And vacuole, what does it contain? It contains some jelly-like substances. And this is this may be present in animal cell, but in the size of the vacuole in plant cell is very bigger than the size of the vacuole in animal cell. In many animal cells, we do not find vacuoles. Next one is chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast is very important thing, and it contains green pigments which help the plant cell to take part in the process of photosynthesis. Means using sunlight and absorbing water and minerals from the root, it prepares glucose. But in case of plant cells, we do not have chloroplast, so we do not prepare our food. Okay, we do not prepare our food. So we have to directly or indirectly depend on the plants and animals. So these are the basic differences between plant cell and animal cells. In the next class, we will study the tissue and the types of tissue. And what is tissue? Students, some group of cells, okay, with similar structure and function, they form tissues. Okay, and how many types of plant tissues are there and how many types of animal tissues are there, we will study in the next class. Time being, you draw the diagrams of plant cell and animal cells and what are the organelles present, and you have to write down and what are the differences between plant cell and animal cell. Please remember all these things. Thank you.